DMC made the SF90 Fiorano package. Hi guys, thanks a lot for tuning in again here to another video from DMC, and today we're going to show you how we made the SF90 Fiorano package. For this to understand, we first need to have a look at the normal Stradale, which you can see here at the top, and the Fiorano, which you can see here on the bottom. One of the major differences between technical differences is actually the rear deck lid. So the first thing that we did, you can see here, is we took off the rear deck lid from an original SF90. This is an original Ferrari part, and we did a 3D scan about it. Let me move around here. Now, a 3D scan, for those of you who are more interested in technical details, it looks like a solid object in 3D data here, but actually it consists of millions of little point clouds. When you zoom in, we can actually not zoom in enough here, but let me try to show you. All the details are here, but all these are actually millions and millions of dots that are not connected to each other. So the first thing that we should do, and you can see that right here, is we have to connect all these dots together, and not only connecting all these dots together, but also separating items from the scan. Again, before it was basically one big cloud of points, and now we have connected the points to become like a solid surface, like a plane, and also have separated the different items of the part here. So you can see here you have the blue part, which is basically the major part of the deck lid. You have a dark blue part, a purple part, a yellow and orange part. All these parts are actually separate items in real life, but we have to make this separate on the point cloud first. So the file that I showed you before, it was a point cloud. We call that STL in computer language. And this one is now a technical drawing. It's an IGES or step file, which we can now use to redraw. So this is basically still the original Stradale design, not what we want, but now we have a technical part in the computer that we can design differently. So here is the next step. We have now taken the part that we've shown you before, and we have added an additional elevated rear lip at the back. We have elevated the rear, and it looks now exactly like the Fiorano package, what we want to have. And with having this part now, it's now still the same base, so the part still fits onto the car, but with the elevated new design, so that's the Fiorano package that we want to have, we can now go into molding, into tooling as we say, and manufacture this part in beautiful carbon fiber. We hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching DMC Live.